In this video, we will show you how to change the theme on Mozilla Firefox web browser. In here, when you open the Mozilla Firefox web browser, the default theme is applied dark or light like this. Actually, you can choose another theme. The interesting, you can select this menu and select settings and select extension and themes and select themes menu in here. After that, this is the theme bring by Mozilla Firefox official. Okay, this is for auto, dark, and light, and this is for Firefox Alpengelo. We can try to using this theme and click enable if we want to try. You can see there the theme is look like this, and you can also select another theme from community. You can see there is many theme here. For example, you can using Indigo Giant Blue. We can install this theme, and now your Mozilla Firefox web browser look like this. If you don't like, you can select another theme, for example this, and click install theme, and maybe it's better. And that's all tutorial how to change the theme on Mozilla Firefox web browser. Hope this video helpful for you.